Hey guys, Martin with Del Toyota. Now is a special time of year. Toyota Thon is on. From now until January 6th, you will find the best deals on cars, trucks, SUVs. No matter what your interest, we have a vehicle for you. Work, play, everything in between. Now, we know the deals are amazing, but now let me tell you a little bit about how I do things and why we should work together. It is my goal to give you the best purchasing experience you have ever had. I will answer your questions, I'll present the best vehicles money can buy, and I will make sure you land on that ride that completes you and what you're looking to accomplish. Your experience will be easy and it will be fun. Why shouldn't it be? My service to you does not stop when you buy that new ride. It's just the beginning. I will be there to assist you now and in the future with anything that you may need. Thank you so much. In regard to anything, please give me a call. I'll answer all your questions. 610-733-4000 to set your appointment, to schedule your test drive. I practice all social distancing guidelines. Your experience will be safe and easy. Give me a call again, 610-733-4000. I look forward to catching up with you and assisting you with your future vehicle purchase. Thanks so much.